Grabe tong ending ng Onyx PH at Team Liquid. Mapapa-absolute cinema ka na lang talaga.
Here,
Hindi
is this the end angle? Eto na si Fritz.
Oh my goodness, they are in range of the base.
Oh my
One
God.
more hit will take it. Pero walang minion na nakadikit.
Tingnan nyo naman literal na one hit na lang.
Chessman pinipilit na with all his might.
2 seconds earlier.
Sa Cebol Qualifiers for Asian Games nangyari to mga Lodi. Semifinals match between Onyx PH at TLPH. Manalo dito, pasok na sa Grand Finals at pag natalo naman, laglag sa lower bracket. Lamang nga dito ang Team Liquid ng halos 7K. At kung titignan mo, panalo na sila dito eh. Paano makakambak to? Panoorin natin.
Big play here. We have to find out. It might be up to the counterplay. Chessman goes down. Napakaganda ng talon doon. Ang kuha doon.
Nahuli nga doon si Carl TC ng walang bawi at dito magsisimulang bumangon ng Onyx PH.
And we would understand Sanford nagganap ng opening doon siya sa kabilang side nung clash.
At meron ng bagong lalabas na Lord. At panoorin nyo na lang ang mga susunod na pangyayari. Napakalupit.
They have to blitz it 100%. They're gonna blitz it and there goes that AOG that we
Tignan nyo si Carl dito. Hindi niya mabitawan yung Lord kasi low HP na. Gusto niya rin kunin.
are looking for.
Pero hinayaan na rin niya. Bakbakan na lang.
Gonna be, there you go. The big knockup that we're waiting for. Super Prince had to win all the way.
Sayang yung Lord na reset pa. Dumating pa nga si Super Prince with the Ruby DD play.
And Ruby DD play coming in from Super Prince. I think that will be a
Oh my
very
God.
crucial play. Naku po. And may assist pa ng Lord dito sa gilid. Oh my goodness. Everything fell apart there for TL. 2 down. Pero looks like dalawa din ang nawala sa
Chessman.
Onyx.
Oh, that was so...
Pero yung Sansan Duo, rekta sa base ng Onyx PH para tapusin sana.
Sanford.
Tinatakbo nila.
Papagyuhin na. Tinatakbo
Naku
na.
po.
6 seconds bago mag-spawn ng minions.
Hindi pa
Bruce
kauwi.
goes here.
Hindi
Is this the end angle?
Yes! 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 No! 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 Fuck! Shit! Oh my fucking God. Oh my fucking God! Cannot be serious. You cannot.
Philippines will get wiped out. One hit moment na naman.
Ang lupit ng laban, di ba? Isang ihip na lang yung base ng Onyx PH doon, nakabawi pa. Ang tanong, sila din pa maglalaban sa Grand Finals. Hindi ko din alam, kaya abangan na lang natin.
Good. KL1 can only stand. And that's Onyx Philippines. By a hair.